my team ploughing that I was used to drive, and hear the harness jingle when I was none alive. Aye, the horses trample, the horn tinkles now, no change though you and I wander. The land you used to plough is football playing along the river shore, with lads to chase the leather. Now I stand up no more. Aye, the ball is flying, the lads they heart and soul, the goal stands up, the keeper stands up to keep the goal. Is my girl happy that I thought hard to leave? And has she tired of weeping as she lies down at eve? I recognize lightly, she lies up down to weep. Your girl is well contented. Be still, my lad, and sleep. Is my friend hearty? Now I am thin and high, and has he found to sleep in a better bed than mine?